The Japanese government considers Asprrova a model software company. Asprrova was acknowledged as the best software representing Japan. Around 30 years ago, a college student who was researching AI decided to make innovative software and start his own company someday. He started his career working for a major IT company, where he learned that it's difficult to make production scheduling systems because of their variety and complexity. Factories asked IT vendors to make proprietary scheduling systems for each individual factory, which was expensive and required long development time. That college student, Kuniyoshi Takahashi, decided to make scheduling software that works in every factory without the need for a programming or IT development team. People said it's impossible to make such software. Japanese factories required complicated software, and it was difficult to meet the needs of each factory. Kuniyoshi resolved the software issues one by one and developed Asprrova. Asprrova can be in operation in much less time. Asprrova is designed for factories and is the only software that does not require IT expertise. These days, a lot of leading factories around the world use Asprrova. Asprrova has been #1 in Japan for over 20 years. 35% of big companies use Asprrova. In the era of Industry 4.0 and smart factories, the Japanese government needs to focus on production industries to preserve and expand them. The Japanese government has recognized Asprrova. The government comments, Asprrova has supported production industry for a long time. Asprrova Corporation is an ideal software company in Japan. This photo shows Minister Hiroshige Seko and the Asprrova development team. The National Museum of Nature displayed Asprrova. Kuniyoshi's dream has come true.